I have a very large wool blanket here. It's lamb's wool, 100%. It's really lovely, but it's been stored and now it smells a little bit musty. So I'd quite like to wash it. And looking at the instructions, I can see that no dry cleaning or no hand wash, no wash of any kind. Yet ironing is allowed. It's made of pure wool, and it really is rather large. The size of it is 220 by 228 centimeters. It does not fit into my washing machine, which takes 8 kilograms of washing. So I'm going to attempt and give it a hand wash in a bath. I'm going to be using Persil for silk and wool because it's very delicate, and this is non-biological. For hand wash, it recommends to use 30 milliliters per 10 liters of water. I have added 100 milliliters. I'm planning to have about 25 liters of water because the blanket is quite so large. Look at the color of the water. I guess the blanket was quite a bit more soiled than I thought it was. But that's very impressive for the detergent to start working very soon. Next we rinse it with clean water, and the water is still running dirty, you can see. This will take some time because of the sheer volume of material. So I will keep rinsing until the water runs completely clean. I've put this blanket through 2 washes and now the water runs completely clean. It's really heavy. This is why I'm using all of my weight to rinse it. You can see that the water is now completely clean, so I'm happy with the result. I'm just going to squeeze it as best I can and put it out on the line and hope it takes its weight. The line can support its weight. This is very hard work, squeezing this huge blanket. But if you do it bit by bit, like this, squeeze the top bit first, and then rest it on the top of on the roll of the bathtub, on the side of the bathtub. So the remaining water will drain down here, and then you just squeeze it bit by bit and free more of the blanket, which is more or less damp, or rather than just wet. I have squeezed as much as I could possibly do. So now I'm going to put it in the laundry basket because it's easier to carry like this, and take it outside. I'm not going to put the towel, the blanket on the aerator because I don't think it will take the weight. I don't want to wreck it. So I have prepared 2 dining room chairs over which I will drape the now damp blanket. Oh, it's heavy. That's not good. Good. That didn't work. Maybe we'll have to put some aerator after all. So whilst the chair experiment didn't work, I did manage to drape it on the aerator, which the strings are sagging precariously. So with the weather like this, sunny and windy, I hope that this blanket will become much lighter very soon. So this blanket has been drying for over 3 days. I left it outside and the weather was fantastic, so it's nice and dry now. And I'm going to fluff it out using either a tennis racket or a baseball bat to see whatever works best. Just gently pat it. I'm gonna try baseball bat now. No, tennis racket would definitely work better. I don't really have to do that, but I think it might be a little bit fluffier. I can't put it in tumble dry, it's too large. Really, it's not making a huge difference, so I think I'm just going to leave it and use it like this. It smells lovely and clean. Definitely worth well the trouble.